No. You trying to eat the wrapping paper?
When I first heard this dog was gonna spend Christmas in the shelter, I just knew right away that I had to foster her. She's lived outside in a doghouse most of her life.
Hi, Miss Chloe.
She had to spend the holidays in a home, surrounded by people who would love on her.
Come on out. Oh, good girl. Welcome to your new home.
You could tell as we brought her home, she had tons of energy that she just really needed to let out.
Hey, what are you looking for? What's out there?
I noticed that she loved to pick positions around where she could look out the window.
You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go? You wanna go for a walk? You ready?
So that was my first hint that she needed to get out and explore, so that's what we did. We went to state parks for her to be able to experience new outdoors areas instead of just a backyard.
There you go, looking so festive in your little Christmas sweater.
This was going to be special for Chloe because it was her first real Christmas inside of a home surrounded by people who loved her and wanted to spoil her.
You look so good.
I wanted Chloe to be there and experience all of that along with me during the holiday season. A big tradition I have is going to see the Christmas lights every year. She loved the car rides so much. She just would stick her head out the window the whole time and watch in awe as everything went by. This was going to be her first Christmas, and we wanted to really make that special.
This is not for dogs. No, this is not for dogs. Hey, this is not for dogs.
Alright. Well,
Chloe, good morning. You know what day it is? It's Christmas. You ready? You excited? Are you excited for Christmas? It's Christmas. Go, 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 go. Merry Christmas, Chloe. What is it? Enjoy. Merry Christmas.
Chloe, are you still munching on your Christmas present?
Come here. Come here. Let's take a picture. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look this way. No, you're facing the wrong direction. Come here. No. Come on.